Cool, so we've just got home. The batteries run low a little bit, so we need to charge it up. But there's a really cool thing you can do with these cars where you can actually decide when you want it to start charging. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So simply we just have to turn the car off, pressing the button, and it will automatically come up with this charge now symbol. Now just at the bottom there in grey it says OK EV settings. So you press OK on the steering wheel and it gives you all these charging timers. So we'll just go into charging timer 1. Cool, so it's turned on. What we've got is we've got a start time, so if you want to plug the car in and only let it start charging at a certain time, you change that, so you press OK to change that. End time, when's it going to end charging? If you want to charge it fully, is the full charge priority. And then if we go and we click on days, obviously we've got Sunday through to Saturday. What this means is if we turn it off, if we turn off a certain day, turn on another day, then we can charge different percentages of the battery at different days. So if you want to keep it plugged in over a few days but only charge up to 80%, then it can charge 40% on both those days.